So mind, intellect, as you can see here, is one way of learning the truth. It's not the only way, because someone can come with an interesting argument and prove to you that 1 equals 2. Like you are seeing a mathematical proof on the screen that actually mathematically establishes to a common person that 1 equals 2. Okay? But I'm deceiving in these equations. But it's not trivial to see the deception. It's not trivial to see the deception. Now, this has a few important things. One is that somebody might come and he may be too much philosophical and using all this jargon. You don't necessarily have to deal with that person, because that person might be able to, manipulate things and show 1 equals 2 to you. Then you would have to come and understand the underlying philosophy to be able to refute that person. So that's one thing. Second thing is you have to understand that the way you know that Islam is true is much higher. It has much more soundness, and that is your fitrah, your heart telling you that this makes sense and Islam is the truth.